Alright guys, second day of the car week. Today's Saturday. Just picked up my Pebble Beach Media Pass for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the main event, Concours d'Elegance. And now just cruising around and going to Mercedes-Benz Star Lounge. Alright, I see you there. Alright, I guess here they're preparing for tomorrow. Is it for tomorrow? Is it for tomorrow?
Yes. This is for tomorrow.
What are they gonna do with those cars?
This is the concept lawn.
The concept. Okay, so it's gonna be here? Okay, good.
Yeah.
And the new Lamborghini.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we saw this was presented or like unveiled actually yesterday at the Quail.
Oh, it's cool.
What's this one? The 63 Aventador.
SVJ Roadster.
Got it. And where's Jessica actually?
Jessica is not here. I don't know if
I think Jessica is not coming. Alright guys, something new behind us.
Oh no, it's a Bugatti.
Alright, it was pretty cool delivery of Bugatti La Victoria La Ball, what?
I think it's the La Vittori Noir.
Noir.
Like black.
Like black on black. Alright guys, we get to Mercedes-Benz Star Lounge. Check it out, couple cars. Look at this. I think they have a white theme. That's my favorite color. And check out this blue one. It's pretty nice blue color, but I think the inside, if we would do like a brown color, it would be way better. Alright guys, test driving the G63, so let's see how it performs. In my opinion, one of the best SUVs. Alright guys, we're doing the gray one.
Let me buckle as a wild driver.
Don't tell me that. No, oh, we're already in Sport Plus. I'll start us off.
I did that.
Oh, you did that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And so much of that was because we built the car for military purpose.
Yeah.
I mean, it is built for practicality
Yeah, exactly.
and functionality. Jesus. With this car, we've been able to do both. We'll be taking this left right here. And then I need you to brake because we're going to do this turn right here. This is the one I need you to go pretty slow on.
And in my opinion, like I really like when like a woman drives G-Class. It looks so sexy.
Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you.
The S-Class?
Yes, sir. Yeah, so our updated system here is fantastic. Oh, it's just a monster, right? We've got the same amount of horsepower as that GTR right there, 577. But the difference is we've got 664 pounds of torque in this freaking car.
Yeah.
I always tell people if the zombie apocalypse happens tomorrow, this is the car you want.
This is
And go.
I love how it looks when it's accelerating in the back end.
Yeah, it's all that. It's that 664 pounds of torque, man. Fence on like this handle here on the door.
Back safe at the home of Mercedes.
Sold.
Did my job. All right. Well, the car did its job, I should say.
Don't crash it. Don't.
Alright guys, we just test drove this bad boy. It's one of my favorite car. I wish my wife really liked this car so we can get this for her. So I guess I have to give you a test drive. Okay, Tao? Like this car. Alright, Timothy is gonna test drive the GT 4-door 63.
Oh yeah.
It's interior.
Beautiful saddle brown, two-tone.
I love brown. Everything brown, I like it.
Very nice. It's really nice, you know, with the black and the saddle brown.
And Sport Plus.
There we go.
There we go. Oh yes.
Police ribbon. You want to do this one. Oh, so you know. Supposed to have a tractor.
Apparently, we scared the test driver. Look at this.
What? I guess I have a record of scaring the test driver all the time, so that was a blast. As always, the sound is pretty cool, and we had a awesome time, Anton, right? How
Yeah,
was the
but-
passenger ride in the back?
Yeah, passenger is very nice.
Okay.
Almost fraud, but it's pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, I mean.
No,
the
it's
thing
actually
is-
it's pretty good car.
Yeah, it has this really good like feel to it where, I mean, it doesn't feel like a large car. Even in my CLS, you have still kind of a boaty feel to it, but this one, the suspension is totally different. So
Yeah, it feels like
I'm
a
totally impressed.
GTS or GTR, so it's pretty cool.
Thank you.
Can I also see this one, the luggage bag? The brown one?
Of course.
I'll get it.
Your
Oh,
arm.
here, we can just open up a new one down there.
Yeah.
That'll be easier.
And what's this for sunglasses brand?
It's salt. And I can open it if you want to see any of those too. Yeah, they're really nice quality glasses,
Also good one.
right?
Yeah. Got the pins and the luggage strap, the brown one.
cheers to
And
a
this
good
guy's
car
drinking
week.
again. How much you can drink?
Huh?
It's like a 10 champagne.
Oh yeah, I guess so. But you never know.
I have to. Alright guys, welcome to the last day of Pebble Beach. So today's the Concours d'Elegance event. So I have an assignment actually today to take pictures of Mercedes, Bugatti and Lamborghini. So I show you a couple pictures how they turn out. I think it's so the challenge is like it's a lot of people, it's very crowded. So I use like a telelens to get some couple cool shots, so it looks like basically on the pictures it looks like it's less people. Alright guys, let's start the day. Behind me is the Ferrari house, is also pretty cool. I'll show you this later. And in front of me is actually the concept lawn, so we're also gonna check this out later on. Alright, see you.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche.
We got the best view in the house here, and from our private penthouse.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you have a bag, we need to look inside of it.
Reserving the seat for the nomination. Some champagne and cheese, very nice. That's how you proper go to the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. Very nice. Alright guys, we get to the main event. Let me show you around. So now it's super crowded. So what we actually did before, we came in really early here to take some pictures of the cars, and then we get out a little bit to grab some food. So by the time we come back, now it's around 12 o'clock, it's like super crowded. Like it's just impossible to take any pictures because like people everywhere. But it's all done. Alright guys, let me show you around. We're at the Ferrari house. Let me show you a couple cool Ferraris here around. I think it's one of the biggest lots here, but alright, let's do it. That concludes the Pebble Beach Monterey Car Week. I hope you enjoy all the videos. So my favorite event was the Quail on Friday. It was the top of the top, the best from the best. Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance was also pretty nice, but it was like mostly classic cars. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, hit this like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh man, that was really awesome week. Definitely can recommend, guys, if you have never done Monterey Car Week, definitely try it out. So guys, the another reason to visit Monterey is the beautiful views. Check this out here. So beautiful.